A popular class activity using the Green Screen by Ink app is to create writing prompts, and one of our favorite writing prompts is the green screen photo of the student floating inside a bubble. This tutorial will show you how this photo was created using the newest version of our Green Screen by Ink app, version 2019. First, start by collecting the background image of the bubble and save it to your camera roll. Now, launch the Green Screen by Ink app. Tap Create a New Project. Notice that the export feature is now on the top toolbar for easier access. Tap Image, and the box to the left turns green and reads Capture Image. This means the app is now set to create a green screen photo. Starting with the bottom layer, tap the plus sign in the bottom right. Notice that when you tap the chooser, all your media assets are now displayed, making it easier to find photos and videos in your photo library and on Google Drive, Dropbox, and iCloud. Tap Photos, and then tap the photo of the bubble image from your camera roll. Tap on the middle layer, and then tap the photo of your student that was shot against a green screen. And the app will automatically place the image on top of your first image, removing the green background. Then tap Done. Position your image by dragging it to the desired location. Resize the image by using a two-finger pinch gesture. Move your fingers closer together to reduce your photo or apart to scale it up. Now compile your two image sources. To do this, tap the green box on the upper toolbar that reads Capture Image. Tap Done. A box will pop up that reminds you that you have not yet saved your image. You've just compiled it. You are then prompted to either discard this image, show the export options such as email, Facebook, Twitter, etc., or save to the camera roll. Tap Save to Camera Roll. A box will appear that reads, Success! Your image has been saved to the camera roll. Tap OK, then tap Done. Then tap the arrow pointing left in the upper left to return to your gallery. Done. Now, where will your bubble take you?